Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing a rollback. Make a full backup now so you can restore if needed. Next, locate the privacy policy file or CMS page so you know what to remove. While doing that, verify contractual or regulatory obligations. Why you keep or remove this document matters legally and operationally. Once found, note where links point and record modification timestamps. This will make the removal controlled and reversible and prevents accidental deletion of unrelated content. Now you edit the CMS page or delete the file. If deleting, retain an archived copy offline for records. While doing that, update menus, footer includes, and any site-wide templates so no broken links remain. Once done, update your sitemap and implement 301 redirects or canonical tags to guide crawlers and modify robots rules if necessary. Make small, verifiable commits so you can audit changes and test each change in a staging environment before pushing live to avoid. Finish by thoroughly testing. Crawl the site, click the footer, and validate there are no 404s or dangling references. Then, notify stakeholders and update any external notices, app stores, or legal registries to reflect removal. Explain reasons and timelines so users aren't confused. Make sure to retain the archived policy and a change log for compliance and potential audits. If something goes wrong, restore from the backup you created. Then backtrack commits to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.